Hi, and welcome back to Brass. Today's Brass Tack is about the online pre-prepared one-size-fits-all corporate documents that you can get online. When I talk about corporate documents, I just mean those business formation documents: partnership agreement, limited liability, articles of organization, or corporate articles of incorporation. A lot of these services will provide templates, and you fill in the name and a couple of the owner's names or the manager's name, and they fill in their pre-printed articles or partnership agreement. They do the same thing with the bylaws for the corporation, the articles of organization, and then those are spit out of the computer, one size fits all, no matter where you live in the country, no matter how big the company is, no matter what the company does, and no matter what your intentions are. Those documents, and I've seen them, they're all the same. The reason that they can do this and not be practicing law without a license is because they don't have anything with you in mind. And to further explain that, what I mean is they incorporate the laws on the books for the state where this entity is being formed. And if you open up your documents, you will see that they will reference the corporation code of the state where the company is being formed, or the limited liability section of the code. It will appear that this document is fine and it's perfect for your purposes. It mentions your name, it mentions the other people coming into the business with you, and for your purposes it looks fine. But I want you to know, any place and every place in that document where it says, or as otherwise provided by the Corporation Code, or the Limited Liability Company Act, or the laws of the state of Texas, or the laws of the state of California, anywhere it says that, that's in there for a reason. It's not a catch-all in case there is some rule somewhere. That means there is a rule somewhere. There is a rule in that particular state, and you have just adopted it, and you don't know what that rule says. That rule may or may not be what you want. So it's fine to do this. It's legal to get these documents on your own, but just be aware that what you have agreed to is not typed out on those documents. You're going to have to go to the source material, and we're going to start putting that here on the website. So if you're interested in your particular state, it doesn't matter to me what order I list them, go ahead and leave a comment and we will get your information up there. That way you can match it up, go to your professional, and have the agreement that you really want. Now, this only covers those areas that the pre-printed documents specify according to state law. There are other things that you should have in there and that you can have in there, but it's really not a do-it-yourself type of process. But this will get you started and hopefully save you aggravation and help your business in the long run. If this was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. Leave the comments below. Check out thebigbrass.com for our other offerings and the blog. Those are all being updated, including our new calendar. Subscribe to see the other videos. Let us know about your business in the comments and any questions that you have on a general nature. And come back and see me next time. Thanks for checking out Brass.